What animal is this?
Sheep.
Very good. How about this one?
Cat.
Very good. How about this one?
Thank you.
Very good. How about this one?
Kaluya.
Very good. How about this one?
Mouse.
Very good. How about this one?
Turtle.
Very good. How about this one?
Chicken.
Very good. How about this one?
Rabbit.
Very good. How about this one?
Fish.
Very good. How about this one?
Ostrich.
Very good. How about this one?
Elephant.
Very good. How about this one?
Horse.
Very good. How about this one?
Monkey.
Very good. How about this one?
Lion.
Very good. How about this one?
Goat.
Very good. How about this one?
Bear.
Very good. How about this one?
Panda.
Very good. How about this one?
Bird.
Very good. How about this one?
Penguin.
Very good. How about this one?
Sheep.
Very good. How about this one?
Chivia.
Very good. How about this one?
Duck.
Very good. How about this one?
Pig.
How about this one? Very good.
Fish.
Very good. How about this one?
Rhinoceros.
Very good. How about this one?
Spider.
Very good. How about
Kita ko yan.
Kita.
Ah,
CR.
yes. How about this
CR.
one?
Ice.
Very good. How about this one?
Cow.
Very good.
How about this one?
Fox.
Very good. How about this one?
Bear.
Very good. How about this one?